Hey everybody, LoneWulfRick here, and I just sent down a Lightning Link version of Happy Lantern. I had a ticket for 103.80 that I just put into the machine, and we're going to play a 10-cent denomination and see if it's got anything for us today. Before we get started, we'd just like to invite everybody to please subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate that. It would help us a lot, keep you in the loop of all the videos we have going on here on a daily basis. Alright, let's get going. Oh, all the dragon heads fell. Come on, one more. Oh, it's up top. Rejected. Come on, one more now. No. Come on, one more. There we go. Hit that mini for $100. Right, these are dimes, so let's see if it's got something else in it for us. Come on, be nice to us here. Come on now, give us another one. A nice $300 hit. Gotta love the coin show. Alright, so that gets us up to 325.80. Let's keep going, see if it's got one more in it for us here. That would have been nice. That's $250. Come on, come on. Oh no! Come on now, let's go. We got slot blocked by the ladders that time. All right, come on now, be nice to us here. Come on. No. You know what? I think I'm going to cash out right there. We started with $100 and we're currently at $204.40. That's a profit of $104.40. We doubled up on it, and I think that's a good place to stop for us. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. We greatly appreciate it. This is LoneWulfRick. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We greatly appreciate that. And everybody take care of yourselves, okay? Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.